Okay, here is the journey of building and leveling our swing set area. Trying to beat the heat this morning, Labor Day. Gotta take out some stumps and basically make this area, playground area, gonna be a warm one. A little bit of a heat wave slash fire going on in the east. So we can get a little work done. And of course, hopefully take care of the trees today too. They've been smoked in the heat. We've had like 100-degree weather with like in the teens with humidity. It's been super dry. All right, about to level this thing off. Luckily, made friends with my neighbor Farron. He's got a bobcat, so we've been soaking this ground for a little bit. Should be pretty damp, ready to rock and roll, but a good day to do this. Getting ready for the swing set. Yeah, getting after it. Lucas is watching. Mr. Farron's getting down. It's going good. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Swing set, here we come. Oh yeah, stump removal. Oh, look at that. Boom. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Oh wow, look, so good, so good. What's that big boy doing? All right, just got to throw some water on it. Let it start settling in. Pretty cool. Lastly, we wetted it down again so that the freshly turned over dirt could start hardening it up as I brought in the parts and pieces of a swing set that was donated to us. Such a blessing. I'm going to try to archive this. So we've been slowly putting this swing set together. I am going to today start to put these treated boards, or crossarms more specifically, in the ground to kind of level things out. Should have enough to do the majority of it. We just got to play around with it. But it should be a good day. Nice and overcast today. I'm sure the sun looks like it's about to pop out right there. Just saw a rainbow. It's a great day. What is today? Shoot. It's a Saturday. November. Oh shoot. 6. Actually I have a clock. I have a watch. November 7th. So getting this thing rocking and rolling. I'm going to get it put in the ground. So this thing is operational for Lucas to enjoy. And I know he's going to have a lot of fun memories out of here. And hopefully we don't build anything that's too crazy and elaborate where the danger factor as far as his mom's concerned is too high. But got to push it all the time, push it to the edge. So here we go. Talk to you guys soon. Okay, so I've got the first post set. Sunk a little bit on the rain, but it's pretty level there. Now, the only thing I didn't really think about how much fall I actually have. You can see this one is already out the ground. Probably got to backfill a lot there. And I'm probably going to double stack these because I'm sure it's quite the fall. I'm going to put a level on it, bubble level on it right now in between these two stakes and see what I'm actually dealing with. I may have to rethink things. But the goal is to keep the wood out of the ground, meaning the actual ends of the swing set. So it's not like I can go down too far. And I'm pretty flush over there as far as in the dirt goes. So we'll see. Anyways, keeping on and hopefully this project gets done quicker than not. Alright, got the string on here, got the bubble. That's where we're at. You can see that. Get the focus. Pretty spot on. The issue here, I need to put a board on top of this and see where we're at on spacing, and we'll check it out. Well, a little rainy, but kind of in the groove, so it really don't matter. We got to drill. What I'm doing is putting stakes through there to hold these from going sideways. We're about to get crazy with this thing. I might need 2 hands for this, so stand by. All right, hit some dirt there all the way through. Pretty high, that's pretty intense. Gotta keep going though. I finally did get all the pieces in the ground and leveled and started to raise the parts and pieces that we have, and wow, took a while. There's Lucas helped me out, best helper in the world, so excited to see this thing start to come together. It's a little dark outside. Daddy and Lucas. Hi. What do we got over here? We're messing with the swings. Look what we did. So far, we got the platform built. We had to put those big ties in. I'll probably have to show those during the day. But we ended up going 3 high right there. So we got some work still left to do. But it's coming along slow and steady. Alright, quick update on the swing set. Got everything pretty set. I bought some strapping to strap everything down, but just kind of adding the last couple pieces to things. It's going to get a little tall on that end. I'm going to build a pit right there. Had to extend this step. I'll have to add a little step right here, but that's not too bad. And then, yeah, things going well. Got that tied in today. Lucas tried out the swing set. I'll have to show you a video of him doing that. These things were a lifesaver, these clamps. So basically, just need to tie in this wall for climbing purposes and do the strapping, get that ready. But all in all, pretty good. It is going to be super tall. I was up there earlier, and it, you know, you add a couple, that's probably 10 inches to things, and it feels pretty high. But all in all, excited about the progress and how things are going so far. Wow, look at that big boy. All right, swing set is put together, thank goodness. Still got some stuff to do, gotta add mulch, but all in all, turned out pretty good. Couple of, I guess, augments needed to be made. Had to extend the steps, which kind of worked out for the benefit right now because Lucas can't really climb up there. Because in the process of leveling things off, we basically raised this thing up a foot on the back end or in the downside. But oh well, it'll be fun for years. See some things I need to fine tune on a couple things, but yeah, let's put some strapping down too to really tie things in and put everything on wood so that I can level it off and also help preserve the actual wood itself. But yeah, swings are up temporarily. Probably going to get a baby swing outside of that one. We'll see. Lucas enjoys that one right now. Of course, that's for a big kid, but maybe Lucy could enjoy one of those kid ones that are strapped in. But turned out great. Well, after some consideration and finding another slide piece, I decided not to do a pit, but extend the slide. So we got about 20 foot of runway there for them to fly in. Then I started procuring the logs to create the border of the swing set. So here it is, notching them out so I can get them in quite the process. And then Lucas was there to help me out. But as you can see, started working my way around the border to eventually keep all the mulch from running out. Had an extra couple ladder that I did a little apparatus with there. Just something else for Lucas and them to climb on. And then started getting some old cross arms from work to start developing the second addition to the swing set. Haven't done a lot of videos in a while, but expanding the swing set. He's been busy. Dug the trench, kind of leveled that thing out. Didn't die, luckily. Putting that up, almost did, but not really. I'm getting ready to brace it up so I can square it up and go from there. But yeah, this is going to be good. It's going to be about a 9-foot section in the middle. Probably put a tire swing initially. Then there'll be an overhang that I can put, well, whatever I want to put. But so far, it's working out. Hardest part is going to be attaching that section up there. Got a step drill bit, but the galvanized steel is a little tough to drill through. So stay tuned. All right, got things braced up pretty good, and the ground bolted up top. Got it bolted. Worked out pretty daggone good. All in all, not a bad afternoon worth of work. Sweaty, but all good. All good. Gonna be good. It's Friday. Got a busy afternoon tomorrow. Set the cross beam. Gotta figure out where I'm gonna sit it, if I'm gonna use that pole or not. Just depends. I'll look at that. I gotta cut off a piece of the bracket too, I think. I can't remember. We will figure it out. Stay tuned. Well, good morning. Saturday, birthday day for Lucy. I've been working on the swing set. I'll turn around so you can see everything. But it's coming along great. Got everything braced up. I mean, this thing is rock solid. Some big hardware on here. Got this thing into the ground. I mean, there's a little lateral, but that's okay. Should be good for swinging. Let me see if I can do a big distance photo and get the full swing. Oh yeah, look at that. Massive, which is awesome. But all in all, it's going great. Gonna hang a tire swing in the middle, I think, temporarily, and a swing over here, and we'll see how it goes. I need to research how far swings are supposed to be apart. We'll find that out. Let's see. All right, have a good midpoint. Actually, I should say midpoint of the evolution. I know this thing's gonna evolve more, but got the tire swing up, and then we got this little gymnastic thing. I'll probably come back and put a swing in here at some point. Excuse me, sorry, looking right in the sun. But right now, with the age of the kids, that'll be fun in the tire swing. But yeah, built to last for sure.